How to factory reset or erase your iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you the way on how you could very easily factory reset or erase your iPhone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the process to actually erase it really simple. For example, you might want to hand over this iPhone to someone else. You want to completely remove all of your data. Keep in mind that I also recommend you first of all actually remove your Apple ID in order to go ahead and then erase this iPhone. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch our other video. But obviously if you already have Apple ID, it will ask you to simply enter your password when you try to reset it. In order to do that, I will go ahead and then open up the settings app on my iPhone. Once you open up the settings app, you can see this is how it is going to look like. What you have to do is you'll see a bunch of these options. Select the one which says general. Once you tap on the general option, you'll see all of these options again. You have to scroll down to the bottom and find this option which says transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone and you can see it says prepare for new iPhone. You can also read there, it says make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to backup. I will tap on erase all content and settings and it will ask you to confirm. You can see it says erase this iPhone. You can see all of the apps and data. And I will tap on the continue button. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you to verify with the passcode. I will go ahead and enter the passcode for my iPhone right over here. And as you can see, it says erase iPhone. Simply tap on the erase iPhone button. Once you've done that, you can see now it says erasing iPhone. Now it is going to take a while to actually erase it and then start it from the very beginning. And after that, your iPhone is going to automatically reboot itself. And this is how you could very easily factory erase your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.